tell you a fun story. When I came to Vilnius with my friend, we were sleeping in a dormitory. It's some kind of soldier camp, something like that. And when we came there, we must say what we will do here. And we said we will study English, Yiddish. And the soldier said, English? And we answered, no English, Yiddish. Yiddish, what is Yiddish? English, you mean English, English. And it was fun because after that we must spend a lot of time to introduce him what is a Yiddish, that is a Jewish language, and it was totally new for him. So, and the same for me when I knew that Yiddish is a language of the Jews and and the words is common with German or something like that, but I really focus on Hebrew because it's normal when you think about Jewish culture and about Israel. The first meaning when you ask about language is Hebrew, not Yiddish, and I think it's a shame because Yiddish is very interesting and very wichtige? Important. So Yiddish is a very important language too, especially for Polish people, because Yiddish people and Jewish people, Jewish people, you know, yeah, Jewish people live there, and we must we coexist with that culture. So I think it's really important to know what is Yiddish. Maybe not to learn Yiddish because maybe not everyone wants to do it, but we must remember that that language exists in Poland because in Warsaw a lot of people spoke that language.